Hey everyone, we're back checking out the C8. Had some requests for some slightly modified versions of ones I've done in my previous video. So obviously here we're going to start with the first custom design. We're going to go and pull these wheels and put them on here. On this one, I did mention that they like the blue tint from the custom option 3, but prefer this. So let me see if I can add some blue accents to this. It might make it just pop a little bit more. Not quite sure if we have enough color here in the front. Looks a lot of place. So we're gonna retry that. It just doesn't feel like it's fitting in quite right. Yeah, I think for this design, we're gonna have to stick with something a little more subtle. But when we switch to such a big front, which already draws a lot of attention, I think we have to keep this accent a little more subtle throughout the vehicle. What we'll also do is this now kind of sticks out like a sore thumb. Let's change these seats to match that other style so we can work well together. So for the first request, we have that. As you see, we used one that we modified and took this rear wing off, but let's see what we can do in adding one of these others. I think that's a little bit better look for this one, although it is a little rough. At least we can get the idea. And I think this side piece here could be a really nice accent to have that blue. Great suggestions. Looks pretty cool, I think. This would be the adjustments for the design number 1. Next request is for custom design number 2. We're gonna add some body kit details that were requested here. Let's see how we want to make this work. Just trying to see if we can kind of mimic that double fin style we have up here in front of the wheel, even though it's a slightly different style. You just can't go crazy behind that front wheel due to making sure the door can still open. Not awful, but still could use a little work. I'll probably still end up playing around with this. Maybe even do a different side skirt that has some better winglets or whatever you want to call it. They might pull this together a little better. We also made this piece larger, which I think helps a lot too on the rear wheel. Eliminate the original wing, so let's edit that out first. Alright, well, it's still a little obvious, but hopefully our new wing here will help cover that. Not completely happy with these skirts. Front wing could be a little nicer. Back could be better too. So let's just start these from scratch. Since this side skirt is pretty dark and we lose a lot in the shadow, let's see what I can do about brightening up. Maybe add a little pinstripe, something to give us a little accent here. Alright, that might be a little too bright, but that's right, we can easily tone that down. So now we're going to see if we can find a suitable wing. And really, without the Z51 wing, it's pretty cool too, just with a body kit. In between these two, feel free to let me know what you think. I think either one could work. I like the lower wing look a little bit better, but anyway, everyone has their own opinions. You choose what you like, but feel free to let me know what you think. This will be the edits requested for style number 2. Well, we're going to incorporate, I guess, our final wing to this one, just for something to see. So that one looks pretty good too with those blue accents that we have. We'll stick with that one, and I'll show, like I did before, I'll line these up, and we'll vote again if you wish. Tell me what you like, if these changes were worthwhile, and if there's anything else you'd like to see different, or if I completely screwed them all up. So that'll be it for these customizations. Feel free, especially if you're the one left a comment about these adjustments, want to see something else tweaked on it, obviously leave a comment and I'll see what I can do in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.